Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced features. Then scroll a little bit more down and tap the screenshots and screen recorder section. And then you'll see here the screen recorder section with its settings. Just tap here to sound, and now we can use the media on our device. For example, that can be the calls, ringtones, just any medias. We can also use media and microphone. We can comment something with the microphone, and also we can mute our video. Also, we have the second way how we can launch the sound settings. We can first open notification panel shortcuts, and then we should find here the screen recorder icon. In my case it's here, and just to launch the settings, hold for a while this icon, and by this way we can also switch the sound settings in screen recording on our Samsung Galaxy. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.